Looking for a portable Bluetooth speaker with iconic style and powerful sound? Meet the Marshall Stockwell III, a compact speaker that combines Marshall's legendary audio, rugged durability, and long-lasting battery life for an immersive listening experience wherever you go. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Marshall Stockwell III, detachable carry strap, USB-C charging cable, user manual and important safety instructions. Product overview. How to pair. Download the Marshall Bluetooth app from the App Store or Google Play Store, then install and open it on your smartphone. Enable Bluetooth and any required permissions to prepare your device for setup and speaker management. To pair a new device, make sure the speaker is turned on. Press and hold the Bluetooth button until the LED pulses slowly. Then select Stockwell III from your device's Bluetooth list to connect. How to pair. Attaching the carry strap. Using the media control. Customizable M button. Using the speaker as a charging bank. Connecting an AUX device. Connecting a USB-C digital audio device. How to charge. Connect the supplied USB-C charging cable to the speaker and plug the other end into a compatible USB-C power adapter. During charging, the battery indicator shows the charging status. A full charge takes approximately 2.5 hours, while a 20-minute fast charge provides up to 8 hours of portable playback. Battery indicator. Maintenance. Cleaning the speaker. Battery care guide. How to reset. Remove Stockwell III from your Bluetooth list. With the speaker on, press and hold the M button and Bluetooth button for 10 seconds until the speaker restarts. It is now reset and ready to pair again. Smart features. Enjoy Marshall's legendary 360-degree true stereophonic sound with deep, punchy bass, natural mids, and crisp, detailed highs. Its powerful acoustic design delivers clear, room-filling audio from every angle, making your music sound rich and immersive whether you're indoors or outside. Get up to 50 hours of wireless playback on a single charge, allowing you to enjoy music throughout the day and beyond without frequent recharging. When the battery runs low, fast USB-C charging quickly restores hours of listening time, so you're always ready to keep the music going. Built for life on the move, the IP67 rated dustproof and waterproof construction offers reliable protection against dust, rain, and accidental splashes. The durable silicone exterior, reinforced frame, and built-in carrying strap make it easy to take the speaker wherever your adventures lead. Featuring Bluetooth 5.3, the speaker provides a fast, stable, and energy-efficient wireless connection with smartphones, tablets, and other compatible devices. It is also LE audio ready, ensuring support for future Bluetooth audio enhancements while delivering seamless music streaming today. Specifications. Frequently asked questions. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos. See you in the next one.